Today I want to bring up an update. Um, I recently won a bid on an auction for a pair of switchers. These are number 610 marx switchers, and these things are in nearly perfect condition. I have been wanting a long time to get one of these, or rather a pair of them. As you can see, they work quite well. No problems. I'm hoping at some point to replace the dyno with a factory in this one, so I have an industrial drone. I'll put the dyno probably over where the supermarket is and find another home for that. But it's something I've been wanting to do for quite a while. And as you can see, they work flawlessly. The trains have no issues with them. I even ran my old American Flyer with them. It's nice to have a pair of switchers because it opens up a lot of different changes that you can make to your layout, even if it's only two switchers. My layout is kind of inspired by Musical Craft's video on his portable little unit. I think he only had like 3 switches on his. I only have 2, but that's good enough for me for now. It certainly can add a lot of personality to your layout, even a small one like mine. So it's something you might want to consider. Yeah, they're manual. Yeah, they're old, but you know what? They work. Even with my little American Flyer, which uses a roller instead of a shoe that you will find on the bottom of any marx train. So, hope you enjoyed. And keep those trains running.